Our today topic is, what is difference between black mamba and king cobra? The black mamba and king cobra are two of the world's most famous snakes, and they are very different. The black mamba lives in Africa and likes open spaces like savannas and rocky hills, while the king cobra lives in forests and swamps in Asia. The black mamba is very fast and can be as long as 14 feet, with a slim body and a dark mouth inside. It's very fast and can be aggressive if threatened. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake, growing up to 18 feet, and has a big hood it spreads out when it feels danger. Feature: Black mamba and king cobra. Scientific family of black mamba is Dendroaspis polylepis and for king cobra is Ophiophagus hanna. Size of black mamba is up to 4.3 meters, 14 feet, and king cobra is up to 5.5 meters, 18 feet. Weight of black mamba 1.6 kilograms, 3.5 pounds, to 3.2 kilograms, 7.1 pounds, and king cobra is 6 kilograms, 13 pounds, to 9 kilograms, 20 pounds. Habitat of black mamba sub-Saharan Africa and king cobra is forests of India, Southeast Asia. Diet of black mamba is birds, small mammals and king cobra's diet is primarily other snakes. Lifespan of black mamba is approximately 11 years and for king cobra is 20 years or more. Physical appearance of black mamba is slim, elongated body, olive to gray color and king cobra is heavy-bodied, olive, tan, or black color. Reproduction for black mamba is by oviparous lays eggs and for oviparous lays eggs is same. Venom black mamba is highly neurotoxic and king cobra is neurotoxic and cytotoxic. Aggression of black mamba is highly aggressive when threatened and of king cobra generally shy, will defend if provoked. Speed of black mamba is fastest land snake, up to 20 km per hour, 12 miles per hour, and king cobra is slower, more deliberate movements. Bite fatality of black mamba extremely high without antivenom and king cobra is high without antivenom. Defensive behavior of black mamba is raises front third of body, shows black mouth and king cobra is of raises hood, hisses, may charge. Conservation status of black mamba is least concern and of king cobra is vulnerable. Range of black mamba eastern and southern Africa and king cobra South and Southeast Asia. Research interest of black mamba venom composition, rapid locomotion and king cobra venom composition, unique diet of snakes.